Assigning inquiry-based lessons. Your inquiry lessons require your students to create their own methods, tables, and other items associated with a lesson. After logging into STEMSIMS, select the Classes tab on the top of the screen and choose the class from the class list that you want to attach the assignment. Make sure this class is the active class. Select the Assignments tab on the left menu. Choose the blue Add Assignments button from the top left side of the screen. Note, the grade level and categories option in the menu on the left side of the screen are pre-filled depending on the class settings you previously specified as the default settings for this class. The modules that fit this search criteria appear on the screen. To change the pre-filled settings for a specific search, select the red Clear tab next to the grade level or categories and make your new selections. These changes are not saved in the class settings options pre-selected as the default option for the class. To make these default changes to the class settings, see the section of this guide called Editing Class Settings. You can narrow your search by using standards or keywords. Review the Search Using Standards or Keywords section of this guide if you need help with this search. Once a module is selected, select the Pure Inquiry lesson and then select the Assign Lesson button to view the parts of the lesson students will complete. If you do not wish to assign this lesson, select the blue Return to Search tab from the top left side of the screen to resume your assignment search. Once ready to assign this lesson to this class, choose the due date for this assignment in the upper right-hand side of the screen. You can also add any notes you want to accompany the assignment. Choose the blue Create Assignment button and the lesson assignment now appears in the list of class assignments. Please note, no assessment is associated with a Pure Inquiry lesson. However, you can assign an assessment only from many lessons associated with the content covered in this lesson. For help assigning an assessment only, review the Assigning an Assessment Only section of this guide.